I'm gonna be the blind dancer. Did you get that, Kendra?
Yeah, I'm getting everything. You're wrapping the thingy around your head.
And where am I? First. Clear my throat. Now what do I do?
Just wing it. That hurt.
I got whoa. I got slow. Why do I hear a dog?
What now?
Kizzy.
Got it. Go over this way some more. Go over this way some.
Okay, now I'll do this. Okay, I suck at this. Okay, I quit.
I don't quit yet.
Move your legs.